You know, this video, I was actually thinking, hey, let's just do a fishing video on my new kayak. Maybe get some footage. And it, instead of being a fishing video, it's just been turtle galore. Hey Tribe, we're back with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day or night. In this video, well, first of all, I'd like to say, good to be back. Just been busy with school, whole bunch of things. Football got canceled, started back up again, whole bunch of things are happening. But, as I said, kind of made like a little teaser, and that was just a, VR video. Now, I'm gonna go out on my new kayak. I'll try and stick my GoPro to the kayak. I'll have my iPad on there with me. And let's just have some fun fishing. Don't know necessarily what I want to get, but it'll just be a cool little fishing mission. See you guys there. Plan is, so I got everything set. It's all ready. Got the paddle. I will be going out with the purple crawler. My idea is to use the GoPro right here. I was hoping that I could mount it either one of those two spots or on the very front. That way you could have a perfect view of behind and the lake and me fishing. But I guess it'll just be kind of like a first person view. So that'll be quite interesting. Now, see you out on the lake. Two turtles. You see them? Oh, I know. The one on the right. Oh, they both went down. The one on the right was a painted turtle. I wonder if I can catch them if they come back up. Let's see. Turtles are actually really good climbers. If you didn't see, one was on that very, very tall mound. And that turtle is actually pretty small. A little bit smaller than Da Vinci. I've got the flotation device on here, but I've spotted a turtle. I don't know if you can see him. You can see the shell a bit. Maybe I can have it zoom in a bit more while I edit it. Let's see what happens. Maybe I can record it. Man, is it Turtle Sunday? This is actually insane. There's like 5 turtles just along there. Dude, I've seen like 20. So there's a not a soft shell, a painted turtle sitting on there. There's a map turtle sitting on a log. There was a adult painted turtle just chilling. Here, let's see if I can catch another one. I almost caught the one before, so that'd be pretty cool. So let's get to it. Hopefully I can just float towards them, that way I don't spook them. And then I just grab them, because I was able to almost catch one by doing that, but then I wasn't close enough, which sucked. So, oh, he's going in the water. Well, that sucks. Oh, now he's back in. Oh, let's see what I can do. Dude, this video is now turtle galore. There's stinking 4 turtles on that little pallet, and then there's one humongous snapping turtle right behind the pallet. Oh my goodness. Dude, we're at a count of like 31 turtles now. Like, what the actual heck? Alright, this video hasn't turned out how I expected it to. You know, this video, I was actually thinking, hey, let's just do a fishing video on my new kayak. Maybe get some footage. And instead of being a fishing video, it's just been turtle galore. So, I guess the new title of this video is bass fishing turned into turtle galore, question mark? Man, 31 turtles so far that I've seen. Wow. That is actually absurd. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you guys sometime next time. Wow. I know I ended off the video and all that, and it ended up being a turtle video. Guess what? I got a baby mouse turtle. Thing is stinking adorable. Oh my gosh, this thing was just floating along the shore when I got back. I literally was just ending off my video, come back, try and close it off, and I get a baby mouse turtle. He's adorable. Or she, I don't know. It's hard to tell when they're just babies. Oh my goodness. I was just taking off my little chest strap for my GoPro, and then I get this dude. Like, wow. He's stinking adorable. Here, maybe I can get it to adjust. So cute. Man. He isn't musking like my turtles. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Dude, I just got another one. What the heck? He was just floating too. Look, I have two of them. You see this? Turtle galore. Oh my goodness. We have two musk turtles that we just got just from getting back. And I see like a snapping turtle slash softshell looking thing right there. I just walk over here to release the dude. And then I just see another one floating literally like right there. Wow. Is there any more? Wow. I must have came back at the perfect time. This video is longer than I anticipated. Sorry if you guys are getting kind of bored. This is just obnoxiously good. Wow. Obviously, the water being too low, I can't get into the little swamp area with the kayak. It's blocked off. Wow, two musk turtles. Oh, there's a huge bullfrog. Or frog. I don't know if it's bullfrog or not. Looks like one. Holy cow! And that isn't my two that I have at my house. These are two new ones. This is actually awesome and crazy.